Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi Mankala. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show some very important stretches for migraine headache. Many people are suffering from migraine headache. Okay, some tips to relieve migraine headache are drink lots of water, sit quietly when you feel headache. You just sit quietly in a dark room if light is disturbing you, and apply cold or hot compress. So alternately you change. Once apply cold compress and then you change to hot compress on the forehead and sides of your head, on the temples, and also do gentle massage on the temples, and try some soothing meditation and do some gentle yoga stretches. Okay, this will relieve your headache if there is an attack of migraine. Other times also keep doing the yoga stretches and pranayama so that you can completely cure your migraine and you can avoid the recurrence of migraine headache. Okay, so lie down on your back. Okay, and bend your knees, adjust your legs hip distance, not very wide, not very close, as wide your hips are. Okay, now interlock your fingers and just lift your hips and take your hands under your hips. Interlock your fingers, straight your hands down here. Take a deep breath in, breathing out. Always start from the tailbone, squeeze your butts and slowly lift and push your hips up as much you can. Lift up, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, tuck your shoulders, engage your shoulders under your body and breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep pushing your hips, don't let them drop. Pushing your hips up, breathe in, breathe out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax your hands, bring your hips down and up. Untuck your shoulders. Bring your feet together and drop your knees, opening your knees into cobbler pose or Baddha Konasana. Relax for a few minutes, breathe in, breathe out and observe. Take your mind all over your body and feel the stretching muscles and feel the relaxation in your body and mind. Take deep breaths. Breathe out from mouth. Deep breath out from the mouth will relax you completely. Okay, one more variation of bridge pose. Okay, adjust your feet and breathe in. Interlock your fingers, engage your shoulders. Breathe in. Squeeze in your butts. Lift up. Push your hips up and stretch right leg up. Straight leg. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change leg. Push. Keep your hips up. Stretch left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax your hands, release your hands, bring your hips down and relax in butterfly pose. Observe the heartbeat and observe the sensations in your body and mind. One more important yoga stretch for migraine pain is you have to do with the support of wall. So take your mat near the wall and just lie down as close as you can. Lie down near the wall. Okay, bring your hips towards as close as possible. You can touch your hips, butts to the wall and stretch your legs up. Just stretch your legs up and relax here. Breathe in, breathe out. When you stretch your legs, all the blood flows towards your upper body and head, so it helps to relieve your migraine, headache, and also shoulder pains, all kinds of upper body issues. So relax here, breathe in, breathe out, and just close eyes and relax. Try to lie down this way at least 5 to 8 minutes. If you want, you can do WhatsApp or you can just call your friends, but try to stretch your legs up. Every day you have to do this. This is very, very good stretch for, it has more benefits. Also, it helps to relieve some abdominal problems and also keeps you very calm. Okay, one more important stretch is just bend your legs and lift your hips up. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring your hips down. This also helps, brings all the blood, and also it gives very good stretch your spine. So it's very, very good stretch. Now bring your feet together and open your hips into butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. Take a break in this way. Okay. So breathing exercises or pranayam which are very, very beneficial for relieving migraine headache are Anulom Vilom, you must be knowing, alternate breathing, and Shitali, I'll show how to do, and left nostril breathing, because left nostril is cool and moon energy. So left nostril, when you close right nostril and do only left nostril breathing, this also helps to stimulate the parasympathetic system. This helps to relieve you, whole body will be relaxing, and also it helps to relieve the migraine headache. Okay, first we will do the Anulom Vilom. Apply Jnana Mudra with the left hand. Close the right nostril, breathe in from left side. Close the left. Breathe out from right. Breathe in from right. Close the right, breathe out from left. So quiet breathing, no sound and no forceful. Very quietly you have to do. And deep breathing, just close eyes and focus your mind on your breath. That also again it's a type of meditation where you focus your mind on your breath. So you just observe the depth of the breath and just relax completely. Close the right nostril. Breathe out from right side and relax. Always when you start this alternate breathing, start from, close the right and start from, breathe in from left. Then when you end and when you finish it off, you just breathe out from right side and then close or finish it off. Okay? Okay, back straight. One more pranayama is the Shitali, as I said, which cools our body, and also internally the heat will be reduced, and also parasympathetic stimulation which helps to relieve the headache. Okay, so for this Shitali can be done two ways, Shitali or Sheath Kari. So we will do Shitali. Just keep your teeth together. Now from here you need to breathe in. As you breathe in, you feel that cold air going in all through the throat. Now breathe in from here. Now close mouth. With the sound you breathe out from nose. Breathe in from the mouth. This is how we need to do Shitali. Okay, close eyes and we'll do. Again, as you do, focus your mind on your breath and observe the coldness of the breath. Relax. So you can see it is very cooling inside. This also helps to reduce the high BP and also headaches due to high BP, tension headaches, all kinds of headaches can be relieved by doing this Sheetali. So do practice. I'm showing for a few times, but you try to repeat at least for 5 minutes or more. Okay. Now, as I said, left nostril breathing again to stimulate the parasympathetic system. Close the right nostril with the right hand fingers and breathe in, breathe out from left side. Only left side breathing, that is moon energy, and slow and quiet breathing and deep breathing. No sound and no forceful. Okay, close the right nostril. You can see as you do, you feel that quietness and calmness of mind, and you feel so cool inside. This is very, very good, and it has many benefits apart from relieving the migraine headache. Okay, friends? Okay, so please do practice whatever I showed, many stretches, but whatever is suitable for you, start them and do them, practice them and repeat them more times according to your severity of the headache. And even if there is no headache, keep practicing these postures and also do the pranayama exercises. These pranayama and yoga stretches will help you to prevent the recurrence of headache. Okay, so please do practice and do watch my channel for more interesting videos and more videos on health topics mostly. So practice these yoga stretches and pranayama and do write to me in comment section how did you feel after doing them. Okay, I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Namaste.